Okay, finally it's here, the Tribit Flybuds NC noise cancellation. This is industry-leading 4 mic active noise cancellation earbuds. So it gives you pretty good noise cancellation at this price at $60 right now in US. Uh, Awaiting its price in India though. Uh, so once you open the box, first you'll find a manual, and I think we have to read the manual because it's not uh, very familiar with everybody to use these earbuds by just tapping them. So there's no button, so you have to tap on the earbuds every time you need to change. There's no volume control, but even to answer the calls or play and pause, you have to tap. For the next track or reject the call. So, and you have to really understand, and it's going to take some time to learn how to do that. Then we have this nice little card which says thank you and share your experience on their website and stuff, and all the email address of the company, etc. It's in every Tribit product. Here is the main thing inside the box: the case for the earbuds, which is the charging case for the earbuds, which can be charged with USB-C charging cable. These are the indicators in the front which show you how much battery it has. Inside you'll see these nice, cute, premium-looking earbuds with 4 mic active noise cancellation. They're IPX4, so you can use it water resistant, so you can use it in gym, light rain and stuff. In just 10 minutes you can charge for up to 1.5 hours of music, and they are made with 10 mm dynamic drivers, so the sound quality is very good. For what we have been using for the past one day, it's amazing. The sound quality is really good. In fact, the voice call quality is it's unbelievably good. So nobody would know that you're on earbuds. They would actually think you're actually talking from the phone when you talk to them with these earbuds. Then we have these extra ear tips for the buds. If your size is not regular, if you need a bigger one, of course you can use a bigger one. If you really want to close out the sound, you have to have the exact ones, the ones that go with your ears, because this really makes a big difference in the fit and the sound quality. So you have to find that one. Then we have the USB-C cable to charge the charging case. So this will charge your case. Again, the case can charge the earbuds, I think, 4 times. So it's total of about 6 hours or 8 times, I think. I'm not sure. I couldn't read it on the site, so. But many times. But in 10 minutes it charges for 1.5 hours, which is great. So, yeah. That's the box, and so far what we've used, I would say I would recommend it because it's exceptional for the price. For $60 US dollars, it is really good, and I don't think there's anything at this price, this size, and this quality in the market. So if you think of going for Tribit, go ahead.